what is margin left property? Margin left property represents CSS property that we use to set distance between left border of HTML element and element that is positioned on the left side of that element. Okay, let's see some examples. For this part, I have already prepared HTML document structure. Our HTML document has doc type declaration with the value HTML, which means that we are using HTML version 5. Then we have HTML block, and inside of it we have head and body element. Inside of head, we have title element, which represents title for our HTML document, and style block, where we have defined some styles that we will apply on elements that we have inside of body. Okay, inside of body, we have 3 paragraphs. We have paragraph on the top, paragraph in the middle, and paragraph on the bottom. Every single paragraph has ID, and we are using ID values to select those paragraphs and apply some CSS styles on it. So for our top paragraph, we'll apply border CSS property. So our top paragraph will have red border. Our middle paragraph will have green border. And our bottom paragraph will have blue border. I saved this document like index.html on the desktop. So let's minimize our text editor. And this is our index page, and let's open it. This is how our web page looks like for now. Okay, let's analyze it. So let's click on the right click. Let's click on inspect. So now on the right hand side, you can see structure of our HTML document. So let's expand head. Let's expand body. Let's expand styles as well. So these are elements that we have defined inside of our HTML document. Let's click on our top paragraph. So down here, you can see our top ID selector for our first paragraph and border CSS property that we have defined. But also, you can see this P style. Basically, this style will be applied on every paragraph in our web page. And this style have been applied from the side of the browser. So this is the reason why we have this space here or down here, or why we have additional space on the left and right side. Okay, so now for our middle paragraph, we want to add some additional space on the left side. So how are we going to do that? This is actually very simple. For our middle paragraph, we need to define margin left CSS property. Like value, let's set 20 pixels. So let's save this. If we refresh our web page, you can see that we have added that additional space on the left side. Okay. So if we click on our middle paragraph, down here you can see that margin left additional CSS property that we have added. If we uncheck it, you can see how your paragraph will look like without our margin property. So let's check it back. Okay. And if you need to do some fine tunings, you can simply click on this value here. You can use arrows up to increase this value or arrow down to decrease this value. Please be aware of that you can use negative values as well that will lead your paragraph out of the screen. Okay. So this is how we can use margin left CSS properties, so feel free to play around with this. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate over PayPal.
Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.